Hello, I'm Darius and I'm a licensed estate agent in Spain. So if you like Spain and thinking about investing in this beautiful country, follow this channel and text me on WhatsApp number you can find in my profile. Join me today to visit beautiful apartment with plenty of terraces, open views, the south orientation, with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and 98 square meters in picturesque town of San Miguel de Salinas in Costa Blanca, Spain. Let's go. Here we've got the terrace with open views. Almond trees and forest and the mountains. Located only 7 kilometers from the Mediterranean Sea, so it's very good location here. The owner decided to sell it as it is. In this apartment you can enjoy Spanish weather all year round because this place is very quiet, but it's got all services nearby in the walking distance. Here we've got three bedrooms. Main bathroom. And master bedroom with ensuite bathroom. TV points. Here we've got a large boiler and pre-installation for air conditioning. The apartment has got ducts all around. It needs to be furnished and white goods and air conditioning needs to be installed. And spacious terrace with open view. So if you like Spain and thinking about investing in this beautiful country, follow this channel and text me on WhatsApp number you can find in my profile. See you in Spain. Hasta la vista.